Hey there guys and gals, my name is Rob. Thank you for tuning into the Rob's Knowledge YouTube channel, and today we're going to be showing you guys how to clean a dirty microwave. Now this microwave may not be the absolute dirtiest, but as you can see, if we take a little closer look here on the inside, there is a lot of stuff stuck on the walls, the floor, and even here in the door. So we're going to show you guys a simple solution to clean that without any kind of cleaners or harsh substances. Basically just using water. So first thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is get you a good old, sorry about that, I had to get it back in the tripod, get you just a regular old dish rag here, and you're going to want to wet it really good, almost to the point where you don't want it like dripping all over the place, but if it's dripping a little bit, that's about where you want it. So nice and saturated, to where there's obviously no dry parts of the towel. Just like so, you can see it's dripping a little bit, that's okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and set that right on the turntable. You can fold it up a few times and just go ahead and close the microwave and set that to about 45 seconds. Okay, and we're just gonna let that go. Sorry, can't see the timer. There you go. 40, there we go. And while that's going, I just wanna go ahead and talk about couple things. Obviously, if you want to clean less often, you could buy something like these. These are microwave covers, which you could use on some stuff, mainly bowls, or you could use it to cover a plate. Just mainly if you know you have problem foods, like foods with like red sauces. As you can see, it's a lot of seems like red sauce on the walls of the microwave. These are fairly cheap. I will link some of these below on Amazon if you wish to take a look at them. And also, obviously, the more you clean your microwave, the easier it's going to be to clean and the less time it will take. But we're coming up here at 4 seconds, so once that's done, we're going to just pop open the microwave. And this probably will be very hot, so be very careful. We're just going to do a quick test. Okay, nice and hot, just how we want it. But also remember, it is dripping, so if you take this out and you drip it on your foot or something, you could get a burn or something if you're not careful. So what I recommend is just grabbing a good old plate, and what we're gonna do is just pop it on the plate. And remember, this is hot, so don't burn yourself. I'm not liable if you burn yourself. Make sure you exercise extreme caution. Wear some heat resistant gloves if you need to. This is nice and steamy. I have a very high temperature tolerance, so but the more water you get out, the less hot it's gonna be, because the water is holding a lot of the heat. Okay. But you can kind of keep this on a plate to keep it to dip in. But this is, you can let it cool off a minute if you need to, but this is what we're going to be using to go ahead and get the good cleaning action. So we're going to go ahead and move this just a little bit closer, and we'll zoom in a little bit for you. So we'll get a good section over here, and we're just going to take our cloth and just squeeze it out a little bit so you don't burn yourself, like I said. And we're just going to go ahead and take this on the walls. And look at that. That stuff just slides right off like it's nothing. Obviously, we got to go back because there's a lot of stuff on our cloth here. And just fold it up, and you can get the rest of it here. And so we're just going to go ahead and do one quick go at this first layer of stuff, and then we're going to rinse out our rag, heat it up again, and then get the final. Okay, so let me zoom out a little bit here so you can see what I'm doing. So as you can see, we got the back wall nice and clean. Now the ceiling is still pretty dirty, so we're just gonna go ahead and back and forth with this. Knock all this junk off of here. Just like so, and it's already looking a lot better. Clean up the floor. Pan over a little bit for you guys. Just cleaning over this wall right here. And then honestly, if there's enough water on the wall, you probably don't even have to heat the rag up again. Just go ahead and give it a quick rinse in the sink. Just to rinse all that extra food off, so you can go ahead and give it one last pass to make it nice and sparkling clean. And also, we are going to go ahead and take this glass turntable and just wash it in the sink, because there actually is probably some stuff underneath it as well, yes. So as you can see, some food and stuff may, sorry about that, may get stuck underneath where the turntable normally is. So we're just going to throw this whole turntable in our sink. Not throw it, obviously, because it is glass. And wipe these crumbs out of here. A little bit of food looks like I caught under there. It's been frying for a little while. Rinse out your rag one more time. And the second wipe will make sure everything is nice and clean and you get all the last little fragments of food or sauce or whatever is on your microwave. But there you have it. Let me give you guys a close little look up. There we go. And you're all done. And obviously you want to go ahead and clean your door too, but for sake of time, it's similar. It's the exact same as the inside, so there we go. And here's just a quick update after we have washed the turntable and the door nice and slick and clean. You see my reflection in there. See, the inside is nice and spotless, just like brand new. That's about all for today, guys. If this helped you out, please hit that like button. It means so much to me. It helps the videos out so much so other people can see them. Other than that, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you're notified every time I post a new video. Until next time, I will talk to you guys later.